Have you ever tried to manually export a Litchi mission into the DJI Fly app? First, you have to export a file in the KMZ format. Then you have to create a basic waypoint mission in DJI Fly. Then search for the cryptic name of a newly created mission. Rename your KMZ file to this cryptic name. And finally, replace the file in the DJI Fly app. Similar to my last video, the direct import into the DJI RC2 controller, today I show you how to export your mission with just one click into your iOS smartphone. How does it work? Let's dive into it. Now, in order to export Litchi missions to the DJI Fly app, there's some pre-work you have to do. First of all, you have to install the Litchi Hub Bridge. As soon as you did this, obviously it should run. And then you have to check that the Wi-Fi is enabled. So with that done, I will test this now with a brand new iPhone I recently got. DJI Fly app is on it. But as you can see, at the moment it's not possible to connect to this new iPhone and export a mission to it. So let's fix this first. So the first thing I will check now is I will start up the Fly app, which obviously doesn't help to connect to my new iPhone. And at the next step, I will now connect the iPhone via the USB connection. So let's see if this helps. So it's plugged in. And again, I try to export my mission. And obviously this doesn't help. But there's a message on my iPhone. It says, if I want to trust this computer, let's say trust. Okay. And trust it. And then we have it. So this is a way to get it connected. So now it's connected via cable. Now, let's cancel this and try the same thing when I unplug the USB cable from my new iPhone. And now I don't have the DJI Fly app in front. So let's try it again. And I can see it. So, and now the very interesting part is in the new Litchi Hub Bridge for iPhone, for iOS, you can also create new waypoint missions. If you remember from my last video, for the RC2 controller, you always have to create a basic waypoint mission which you can overwrite. But it seems if we export to the DJI Fly app on the phone, you can simply create a new one. Now let's check it on the iPhone. Okay, I already started the DJI Fly app. So let's switch to waypoints. The list of waypoints. And here we have it, the recently imported mission. Let's open it. And here we go. Everything works fine. But do I really have to connect the iPhone always first by cable? Let's do another test. Now for the final test, I locked my iPhone, screen is dark, and if I want to export something now, obviously this doesn't work. But as soon as I open my iPhone, unlock it, without even starting the DJI Fly app, I can now export my mission again. I hope you consider my little tutorial useful, and if you want to learn more, I just created a new series called Litchi is Back. So check out my channel to learn more. Happy flying!